At the point when Hasselblad disclosed the X1D 50C mirrorless camera a year ago, it wasn't only a radical new heading for the storied camera organization, for the whole medium organized division. It spoke to a takeoff far from extensive and complex cameras, for streamlined, versatile gadgets. It might be the most huge advance toward modernization that the organization has taken since the primary computerized backs. However, it remains consistent with Hasselblad's essence of fine craftsmanship and magnificent picture quality. This isn't to suggest that standard computerized medium-arranged cameras are leaving a long way from it, as you read in our Hasselblad X1D 50C audit. However, clients of such cameras presently have a choice that is less demanding to take with them on area, and both picture and scene photographic artists have motivation to be amped up for it. The X1D has justifiably produced a considerable measure of build-up. It's the first of its kind. All things considered, constructing interest that goes a long ways past the moderately restricted group of onlookers of built-up medium-range shooters. Be that as it may, while it appears to democratize the organization to some degree, it remains a long ways from a medium-range camera for the majority. Innovative and handcrafted, as an unassuming, yet pleased etching states on the highest point of the camera. The X1D is handcrafted in Sweden. In the wake of seeing it in photographs, we knew it looked shocking, however, didn't know how agreeable it would be and genuine utilize. Our past involvement with medium design cameras had abandoned us with the feeling that such machines are best utilized on strong tripods. Be that as it may, in the wake of investing some energy with the X1D, we totally began to look all starry-eyed at the outline. The grasp feels incredible, and despite the fact that the camera is genuinely vast, contrasted with littler arrangement mirrorless models, it is still very simple to hold in one hand, not at all like the colossal, reflect-based medium design models. Underneath the H logo in favor of the camera, you'll discover double SD memory card spaces. There's additionally a one-of-a-kind battery that secures without a battery entryway. A switch on the base of the camera mostly discharges the battery, and you give it a delicate push to open it and evacuate it whatever is left of the way. An elastic gasket surrounding the battery itself enables the camera to be earth-fixed in spite of the absence of a battery entryway. Hasselblad revealed to us this was done to enhance general solidness, as there's no plastic entryway that can sever. We sort of figure they did it just to be cool. However, in any case, we'll take it. The body additionally has a consummately adjusted weight when matched with one of the prime focal points. We tried the 45mm f/3.5 and 90mm f/3.2. This is as yet a genuinely substantial camera, however every ounce of weight feels purposeful. Hasselblad plainly put huge care into making the X1D feel great to utilize handheld, something that has not generally been a need for other medium design cameras.